the newbie, okay, or if you like have already have experience, maybe this is good for you to refresh on how to find correct support and resistance, pullback, overlap, and swing high and swing low. Okay, um I'm quite sure that a lot of you guys may may not find correct support and resistance, like how to identify pullback or overlap support and resistance. Okay, because it can say that like 70% of my trade setup, firstly I identify the key level, which is either support and resistance, and from there then I'll just go down to the M15 to get the entry. Okay, so today basically I will share how I do my trade setup. Okay, I will start at 11:03. Any one of you guys last Friday have a good profit from gold? Okay, last Friday, if you use Fibonacci to trade, right? Last Friday gold went to 78.6% fib level. Okay, and then from that, price for I think more than 400 pip from that entry at 78.6%. And if you were to look at gold, okay, today I think I will use the chart on gold to do the pullback, overlap, and swing high, swing low as well. Mm. Okay, anyone use Fibonacci to trade? Because we teach you guys how to use Fibonacci extension, retracement, projection. So if you use Fibonacci to trade, like let's just chit chat before we start the session. Okay, gold went down all the way down to our extension 127. Like, let me just remove the level. It's just a recap and then we will start the session. Okay, like here, if you want to trade like last yesterday, you will see the price go all the way down to our extension 1311, and then from that the bounce off. I think bounce off is already 50 pip, right? You can see this is Fibonacci extension. And last Friday price, because from here you see the price already break this low, this one, right? So they break which imbalance. Just a recap that what we study, you can use to trade. You can use the old strategy that you learn to trade. You can see the price come to 78.6%, and from here is fall from where 23. Let's just say 23.68, around that, which is around here, and then falling more than 400 pip last Friday, and then now in the here they break below this swing low here, they go to extension right here. Okay, and bounce off from that level. Okay, all right guys, let's just start our session. Welcome everyone, good morning, welcome to the exam webinars. If any one of you guys first time here, you can let me know as well. Nice to see you all here. So today's topic is a basic. I think it's suitable for like a newbie. Okay, which is support and resistance past one. So today we're going to identify pullback, overlap, and swing high and swing low support and resistance. Okay, and a disclaimer as usual. Okay, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you come to trade, please do your own diligence before you guys trade. Okay, and I want to highlight every time. Highlight over here, risk warning. Okay, trading forex and safety may carry significant risk to your capital and it may not suitable for all investors. So please come and join the webinar, which is the XM webinar we do have every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Monday, you already know, is a live training section. Tuesday and Wednesday is our education session. Okay, so my name is Peggy, speaker for today. This is my Ketan, my team mate, which you already saw him like yesterday and Monday. Usually will be Melanie or Ketan. Okay, that will be like trading section. Okay, so the agenda for today, I'm going to talk about, how you use or find support and resistance by using either swing high, swing low, how you find the starting point, how you're going to, identify the pullback and overlap, either support and resistance, and then you combine pullback and overlap as well. And we will use support and resistance with Fibonacci level, which is last Friday, we get the entry at 78.6% from gold. Okay, that is I identified at my resistance level last Friday. Okay, using swing for support and resistance level. Okay, so if you were to use support and resistance based on swing high, swing low, it's only one swing. Usually, I will think that that is not very strong enough. For example, let's just remove over here. If you want to identify, for example, here you refer it's only okay. This could be swing high resistance. This could be swing low resistance. Okay, so let's say if you have difficulty on finding support and resistance, you can go back to the switch to the line chart. I always say this is your resistance level, capital A is your resistance, capital V is your support. Okay, and again, if you use the line chart, you should know that price only capture at the body, it's not the wick. So if you switch back to the candle, okay, you might need to adjust to the wick. For example, if you identify your swing high, then you swing low support or this swing low support. So if there is only one swing like that, to me, it's not really strong. So you need to kind of like refer back to your lab to see that, and like at this level, price come to intersect each other or not somewhere around that level. So to me, this is not my strong. It's not very strong swing low to me. Here could be my support level. Or here you start to all the way back here could be your resistance level. Even though if you were to look very closely, this is just a flag breakout. Okay, this is my hit stop loss. This go to like almost next resistance level, and this also resistance level. Okay, and how we get this one at this entry, I'll come back later. Okay, this is how you identify. You can see that. Okay, for resistance, second resistance, we already know that. And insignificant, okay, so of course you cannot, if you were to look at the chart, okay, you cannot, identify every swing, because if you were identify that, okay, I identify this my swing low support, this also like here, this swing low support, this also swing low, swing low. Not every swing you will identify as a swing low support. Okay, those are really tiny move. We will ignore that. These are resistance level, swing high, swing low, swing high, and swing high, swing low, swing low. So we cannot like identify every swing. So if we there really tiny move, for example here, if you go to this H4 time frame, okay, you look at H4 time frame, you can say, oh, I think this is my, you identify, okay, this is my swing low support. You also identify this my swing low. This is also my swing low here. You also have another swing low here. We cannot draw every swing. So there is tiny move here, meaning that how I identify the level of my swing. My swing, definitely maybe this could be one of them. And it might I refer back here. You will see that, okay, on your left, there is a swing low right here, but either I put here, I will put like that. Okay, why? You want to zoom in to see, okay, this will come back on overlap. Okay, I will just draw here first. So basically, cannot identify every move. Okay, you want to zoom like that, where your resistance level based on like smaller like this. This could be your resistance level or swing high. This could be your swing high as well. This could be your swing low. This is your swing high here. This is also your swing high here as well. And this is your low or swing low as well. You can identify like that. You can see these are very tiny move like that. We're not going to identify at a swing high or swing low, because if you were to zoom in, like make a chart smaller, it's just a very tiny move here, so we're not going to identify that swing high or swing low based on really tiny move here. Okay, move on. Insignificant swing, I already show you. Could be your swing low here. You draw to the right, you can see the price could not break below. Yeah, you can see this is your multi swing low. Okay, and this could be your resistance level. This is called overlap. We'll come back later. Okay, now significant swing, definitely that here you can see very clearly market structures. You can see here as well, capital V, capital V, capital A, capital V here. Okay, this is you can see very clearly this the level as well, and this could be your overlap resistance. This could be your support level. Okay, this another multi swing low support level. Okay, like you can look market structure very clear. Okay, you can see that this is swing, another swing here. So basically, just look for capital A and capital V. Okay. Now, how to find how you're going to identify support and resistance. Okay, a lot of people asking me which time frame is suitable for draw support and resistance. The answer is depend on your trading style. If you're scalper, of course you can draw on either M5, M15, but of course if you go to the lower time frame, it has a lot of noise, right? So you will see a lot of movement there. So to me, I identify my key level at least H1 or H4, and then I go lower to the time frame, which is M5, M15, to find the entry. Okay. And again, the thing is, however, using a swing low and swing high is a weak level. If there are only one, for example, like I mentioned early, if you were to look over here, if you just refer this one to only like swing high, it may not very strong because only price come in one time and then rejection from that. So they might have, or at least has another like conference somewhere around here, or maybe they could have like Fibonacci extension to to support your swing high resistance right here. Okay, multi swing at least have to be at least two touches, and to me two touches enough. At least I have three. That will call multi swing high or swing low resistance level. For example, here you can see that there is multi swing, another swing, meaning that these are liquidity zone somewhere around here. Okay, and you can see that try to find the area where those might line up, and it does not need to be exact level as long as it's an area that is near enough. So meaning that sometimes when you find or identify the key level, it doesn't have to be lined up very very nicely. If you were to draw like just now, okay, let me identify the key level based on H4. This is my resistance level, the resistance here, and what you see here, I identify from this level. Okay, people might like disagree with me. You can listen, but price come like break below already from here, break below the flag breakout. Okay, and you say that okay, seem like price close above. If you to just draw and based on this candle, you will see the price break above. Yeah, they close. Sorry, it's close above my resistance level because it's close here, and then the candle price try to go below my resistance, but still rejection, and then you might buy at this level, but this is my overlap. Okay, this is I consider the flag breakout. If you to trade based on using Fibonacci retracement, you will know that price come to our extent 78.6%. So if you identify this as your first resistance, and then you have I draw at the body. You could draw at the wick here, but I draw at the body. That doesn't matter. You may highlight your area or your zone. This your sell zone. So basically your sell zone why we do have seven above my resistance level. I have 78.6 pence right here. For example, last Friday I identified this my key level. Okay, price I might have 61.8 right here, but then I can see that somehow I also wait at this level to short for my either I call my second first resistance. This could be my second, but then price go all the way boom to this level to my second resistance. So this is invalid. Price come to this list my first resistance here. Over here, if you want to go down to the M15 to see whether price respect this 78.6% and your resistance zone or area, you go to the M15, you will see that when price come to this level, price create the kind of like create the M pattern rejection. This is a price action. They very beautiful here, and then you you should know that price is going to reverse from this level, which is your resistance level, your key resistance level here. And I even go down to M5, I see there's divergence right here. Okay, divergence is happen somewhere around here. Here, I enter like here. And then price, came a little bit and then bounce off again, somewhere around here. So I wait for M15 to close, and then I see that okay, the rejection price already told me with the price action PA. Since here price try to go up and rejected, and then finally fall. So now you know that okay, your resistance area, if you trade, then you don't draw the extension. For example, you don't have the Fibonacci, retracement here. If you will go to the M15, you will see that you might think that based on only like the line, not the zone. You would think that price break above, so you will, it's scalper. You might think that okay, I gonna price bounce here, I gonna buy up. Okay, some of you might buy here. You might kind of like price pull back to at least 50 pip and then rise again. From that, you might buy up, but then you will get stopped out because above this level there will be extension in H4 time frame. So that's why when we trade, try to use Fibonacci and highlight the zone or the area for your resistance level, which is your resistance level. Okay, and go down to the M15. We want to see what it price action or doing in the lower time frame. You can see that this is your M pattern or double top. So meaning that they will tell you that okay, I'm going to fall from this level and then you hold. Okay, where I hold to only the next support level, which is TP is here. Okay, so P is here, but then what you can see the price break below with one candle in H4 time frame, boom. They don't even respect this demand zone here. So now this could be my, I identify this my the become break below is supposed to be support, it become my resistance, right? So this is my overlap. One price come, how you're going to identify is that, let's say price come here, the support, this is your resistance level, right? Price break above. Now we're going to call this our pullback support level. We will wait for price to come here and bounce off from this level. One is bounce off. This one it become our overlap support level. Okay. Break above, we will call that okay. We wait for price to pull back is our pullback support level. One price pull back in one time. Okay, this will become overlap support level. It's the same for the sell position. Okay, this is our support level. Okay, from the support, you see price will bounce from the support, but the break below it become my pullback resistance. So this is my resistance level. I'm waiting for price to pull back to my resistance here, and then we'll chart from there. So this become my overlap resistance. One is pull back in one time, break below, pull back. Second time price come again, visit again, it become overlap resistance level. Okay. Do you have any question? Okay, don't have. Continue. Okay. So now this is what you can see here. This is my support level. I identify my first support, meaning that price come here, I will see rejection or anything I will buy, buy from this level, like buy up, but price break below. Since price break below from my decision level, it become my pullback support. Okay, let's just see. So now I'm waiting for price to pull back at this level. I'm gonna short somewhere around there, and I could use my Fibonacci to see my swing low here and my swing high to swing low. Okay, which is that will be around 38.2% fib level. So I will just leave 38.2% fib level. This is my sell sell zone. This now is become my pullback resistance. Okay, because price already break below my support, become pullback. Okay, so now I'm waiting for price to come to this level. I'm gonna short. Let's see. Boom, price come, right? Price come to the zone right here, and then falling to where? Falling to where at least my TP at this level, which is the body. Okay, price come and I earn how many P from this swing to this TP, which is 150 pip. Okay, 150 pip. Then you can see the price kind of like break below my swing low here. So let's say if price break below, the below there, I will use extension. I will see that seem like price is on downtrend because I buy a sell for gold. You can see that price come to my extension 127. So this is my support level. That's why price bounce off from this level to 23.20 now. Okay, the price here. Okay, this identify at my support level, which is my support level here. I will just leave my extension. I'll use only these two number, and I will highlight the zone. This is my support zone here. Okay, and where is my next support? I identify at this. I might refer here. It may not a good level, but I have my Fibonacci extension to support my level here. So I will identify here. Because price might put all the way, but I will refer here. Okay, I will put either you identify as swing. You can put like that, like swing here. Then price could not break below from here, and then bounce off from this level, which is 73.05. You can leave like that, and then you identify the zone. 23.01 to 23.04 is about only 30 pip from like this zone. So you can highlight the zone like that. Okay, and where is my sell zone for gold, for example? Now, you can go to the lower time frame, which is a H1 time frame, which is H1 time frame. What you can see over here, if you want to draw based on one time frame, where is your resistance? This is your resistance level, which is you will get the entry at this one, which is 23, and then you short from that level. Okay, you can see that you can stretch all to the back here. What you can see here, it will look like that. Okay, but what if you go to the low slide chart? It will look like that. Where is your, if you were to identify this one based on the like the light chart, it will look like that, right? Because it's one touch, price break below, break above, become support, pull back, it become now overlap support level, come back again. It's kind of like, you know, go back, pull back, become overlap support, and then continue to go, and now they fall. So now we wait for price to kind of like pull back to our support resistance level, and then from there they will go fall from that level. But if you were to identify like that, if you snooze, you can do like that as well. But I identify based on candle. Okay, the candle, it will look like that. Either you draw at the wick or at the body, that doesn't matter. You can just see that where is the price, you know, intersect each other here, which is I might move here. Okay, and my sales zone, it's gonna be here. So I will use Fibonacci in H1. You will see that your golden zone is here for your sales zone in H1 time frame. Okay, which is 61.8 here, right here. So now let's say if a price to me, I want to get the entry, I might wait to short at this level. This is my sell entry, and this one you could identify at your second resistance in H1 time frame, right? This is how it look like. So basically from here, I'm gonna short from that level. I will target at 2301. That is my TP or O5. Okay, this is a trade setup for gold. Any question? Hi guys, nice to see you here. Okay, come back to this one. Okay, over here, if who trade FBG, you identify you have a fair value gap here, but your fair value gap is really big based on H4 time frame, right? You see fair value gap is really big because this is a wick, and the wick of the third candle, and then price come to clear all the you know, the gap here and then falling. Okay, this is how you identify. Okay, let's just move on to another level. Okay, let's just identify the overlap and pull back. Okay, based in H4 time frame, for the GPUSD, definitely I will buy at short for this pair because the market structures already make a lower low, lower high, right? You can see really well, and they already break this swing low here to create a new low. Okay, you can see that. So we'll buy at short from the from GBP based on H4 time frame. This is my support. This is used to be my you okay. You look here, support level, break below, pull back, it become the resistance. Now it overlap resistance, price break above, pull back, it become my overlap support, overlap support, overlap support, and overlap support, right? And you can see that here, support, break below, pull back, it become the resistance. Okay, resistance, and then break above at this candle, it become is pullback support, it become overlap, and then again break below. Now it become the resistance. Now it's from the support level. I will identify this is my resistance level here. Okay, so now let's identify the key level again. This is my first resistance. Okay, based on H4, that should be 61.8% fifth level, just slightly above, but it's okay. I will leave like that. My 61.8%, which is close to align up with my first resistance. Right is my second resistance. You can refer here. You can use Fibonacci based on daily time frame. A swing high to swing low here. That will be 61.8% Fibonacci retracement in daily time frame, which is close to your resistance in H4. So meaning that if price break above your first resistance, the next key level, which is at 61.8% retracement in daily time frame. Okay, this is your sell zone for GBUSD in H4 time frame. So basically here I short GU here. Okay, my target, because we trade based on the trend, price on downtrend. In order for them to changing trend, price need to break above the resistance, break above this high, something like that, break above this one, then gonna like kind of pull back like that and then continue to uptrend. Okay. So now as long as price cannot break above first resistance, we still buy at short from this level. You go to M5 or M15, you will see that in the lower time frame, okay, here I saw that price break this level. This is my second sale for my entry for GBP. Yesterday I already closed. You can see that price come to where your resistance level, which is yesterday, okay, at 78.6% fib level. Okay, you see that if you identify the key level correctly, and then you use the Fibonacci, retracement to trade, you will get the level, correct level. You can chart from that. You can see that price break this swing low here to create a new low here. You can see that. Then you see that your swing high, or either your swing high, swing low. Okay, multi swing low here, multi swing high here. You draw Fibo, price come to your 78.6% fib level. Then from that, price come to the support level in M15. So if you were to like scalp from here to here, the wick here, you will get about 18 pip. Okay, for the GBP in M15, but I still enter another when I saw M15 close with the rejection, which is at this level. Okay, I shot there, my target to be around this level, but it's still a bounce up here. We'll see. Just remove. Okay, you have any question? But then for scalping, okay, for GBP, the level is still the same. Let me identify again. That would be 16.8 in H4 time frame. Okay, this is the level. You can see that your support level is now become your overlap, right? You based on this swing high here. If you were to go down to the body, you will meet the entry at this one. If you just refer somewhere here, swing break, you can see that price come to the level which is first support. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and then they cannot break below 1.2631. Okay, and then it rising. So now let's see whether this level can hold the level, but able to zoom to H4 time frame. Like yesterday, why price reject from this level? We do have bearish order block right now. We combine with other like SMC, kind of like you just look at bearish engulfing candle, price come to here and then rejected here. See whether this level could hold the price, whether from here they're going to come down to this level or break below, continue to go down trend. Okay, let's just go to the lower time frame. M5, I enter at this candle. I see the rejected. Where is my stop loss? Just slightly above this high for my scalping. Now price is falling from here, falling. I think I did not close. Price is rising again. Let's see. Okay, Okay, now this how you identify. Let's just look for EU. Okay, now EU very closely. Where your resistance level? This could be your resistance level, your support, your support, your support here, and your support here. This is very clear, your resistance level, and this your support. Okay, your support here. You would just identify like here, like somewhere here. Okay, you can see that this is your support level, your resistance level as well. Okay, now let's just identify the key level. Now I can see this my overlap support level. You see how I identify? If you look at the chart very clearly, this my overlap support, overlap resistance become support price break below here. I did not identify this my kind of like support level your immediate entry because it was like one kind of one swing here. To me, it's not really strong. I will look for the price. This to me is either breakout or price is just come to maybe somewhere around this furthermore somewhere here, or I go to H4 daily time frame. Okay, in daily time frame, why price come to this level? There is a demand zone somewhere around here. There's a price from here rejected from that level. But that is my first support which I identify over here. Why price come here break and then rejected from here, because this is your demand zone here. Okay, this is your demand zone or your support, like here. Price already come back to the zone and then rejected, already done. And you can see that why price come again, they cannot break below your key level. Okay, like a few time support and then a few time here. Okay, so this is my support level. This is, you look to your left, this is your resistance level. Okay, why your next one is here. I will put here for my second resistance level, which is refer all the way somewhere around here. I will use Fibonacci swing low to swing high here, 50% fib level, and you can see that price come to my here 30.2, which is at this one, and then falling. So I will keep only 50% fib level. Okay. We also can use projection. We teach you how to use projection, right? They say. Okay. My kind of like support level below, I do have 78.6% projection. So I will leave like that, meaning that this is my support zone, the body to the wick, because why I have 78.6 projection right there. Okay. And let's say if price break below my first support, my next resistance I will refer, which is here, which is slightly below my second support. I do have extension 161.8. So this is my next kind of like support level, which is I do have extension over here. Done. This is my trade setup for EURUSD. Okay. You can see here. Okay, this is H1. In H1, how you're going to trade based on H1 time frame. H1 time frame, I will buy as short for EU. Okay, I might find the entry in H1 time frame, which is my entry gonna be somewhere here. This is my sell zone for H1 time frame, which is my sell entry. I do have, that would be 61.8%. You see level. So if price come to this one, I'm gonna short from that area. Okay, I'm waiting for price to kind of like go up even more, and then I short from that level. I do have 61.8 over here. This is my sell zone for H1. Okay, the target for TP scalping are still here for my TP. My take profit is still here, which is my stop loss just above this high. So the RR should be 1 to 1. Let us say whether price will come to this zone or not in H1 time frame. So like again, if you trade based on H1, you draw in H1. Okay, maybe let's just draw key level based on H1 time frame. Okay, I draw this one. If this is not really my great resistance level, resistance up here. Okay, I have 61.8%, but somehow I may not look at there. I will just put here, make it cleaner. My support level based on H1, I will put here. You could go all the way and then you draw from that. You will get the level. Okay, and this is identify my first support based on H1 time frame. Okay, what's about my resistance? My resistance I based on this one. Second resistance. Okay. Why this resistance here or gap? Okay, it's already break above pullback because of this one. Is my pullback second resistance. This also my pullback second resistance. This my overlap support. Okay, because price already touched the level. I will identify this one as my support level. This is my overlap support based on H1 time frame. So if you draw the level based on H1 or you trade H1, you just draw H1. Okay. Let's say price make a swing high here. That will be 100%. My 100% here. So if I were to look like that, I might see, okay, it seems like I may have a purchase somewhere around here. So the area might be big. Okay, but I will see if price come to this zone, for example, I'll see the rejection, I'm gonna buy from that. Let's say if they break below the support level, so this is how you draw in H1 time frame. Okay, if you want to draw in M15, where your level, you'll see there is a lot of levels, so you need to look very carefully. This is your kind of like resistance level. Just back here, that will be here. You might think this is your first resistance. The first resistance, if here you can see that it's not very nice because lower time frame, a lot of noises, right? That would be somewhere 78.6%, which is above here. Then you might think, okay, if I want to wait a bit higher, you want to wait at 78.6% and you identify your key pullback resistance right here. Here, okay, M15 close really nicely. This is your support level. Okay, you might kind of like, if you want to fine tune a little bit, or you just put here at your support level, can, because I will put at the body because price come 3 times and 15 could not break below. You can say this your multi swing low here, or you just adjust here, and then you will get the 9 level over here. And now price is just ranging somewhere around here, so you need to wait for the EU, but it seems like got rejection over here. This could identify at your first resistance. This could be your second resistance M15. Okay, and that will be 78.6 and 50% fifth level around there. Okay, your TP you will short from this level because we see the price action. This one. Okay, if you want to like want to like scout EU, the TP at least have to be at least TP1 here and TP2, which is at the support level. Okay, to be at the support level, which is 200%, or here your extension 161.8. All right. Okay, any question? This is M15 trade setup. Okay, but I will identify the key level based on H4 for you. Okay, again, always look for the price, come to the near to the area or the zone. Okay, starting point, again, when you want to identify the like starting point, somehow it's quite it not have to be like wait like exact, like if you find the entry, oh, oh like if you find the entry, some this is to me, you can either draw until here and then you argue with me, okay, this is a resistance, pullback, it becomes support. Okay, then price come again, it become your uh resistance level. Yes, can. Now price break above this one, it become your pullback support level. So always look always to your left to see whether price come to do anything around that level. Okay, the intersecting is or not. You just have to like look all the way to your left. Okay, it whether like pullback or support or resistance level. For example, here, to me, this you just ignore this one. If you want to draw on this one, you may like miss entry. But if you were to draw here, okay, I might kind of like highlight the zone. Okay, but over here, they ask you to like starting from this week, then price come again and go back, break below, and then you can see that this is your one price break below the resistance level, it become your break below the support, right? It break below, it become your pullback resistance. One it pull back here, it become your overlap resistance level. Okay, this one as well, these are picking the starting point. I already say mentioned here, it's not very nice one, but you can argue with me that okay, I think there's a we trade not only based on key level. I will identify this my sub supply zone as well, which is a resistance. That's why price come how many time? One, two, three, and then break. Now it's pull back support. One pull back, it become overlap support level. Okay. Okay, now pullback support and pullback resistance. I already show you how to identify. So basically, a pullback support is strong level of support. It break out from the previous resistance level, and the price is now dropping back to visit its again. So we call pullback support. Okay. The tip is that when price pullback like up with Fibonacci, it really powerful, which is that's why I always identify the key level and I use Fibonacci to see whether the level that I identify it line up with any Fibonacci level or not. Okay. Pullback resistance work well when it break a significant swing low and then start pulling back to it again. Even better if there is a multiple Fibonacci line up together. So basically Fibonacci confluence. Okay. For example, here, you can see this your pullback support example, resistance, resistance, resistance. One price break above, we will call pullback support level. One is pullback, it become or overlap. Okay, this is a pullback resistance level, is support, 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 pullback resistance level. Okay, you can see this as well. It become your pullback resistance. Okay, and we also use it Ichimoku cloud because price break below Ichimoku cloud, and then we will buy at sell. Okay, and then you can see that price kind of like you make a market structure. They break this swing low here to create the high and the new low. So now price should come here and then falling for that level because this is your pullback resistance. Okay. And what about overlap support, overlap resistance? Okay, overlap support, overlap resistance. When there are prices touching the line from the top and the bottom, and the here is the bottom and the top. One go here, pull back one touch, it become your overlap. Okay, that means they are bull and bear respecting the area, so it's important point to take note of. Okay, the tip is that if the overlap area line up with other elements such as Fibonacci level, it would make it even stronger. Okay, just delete it. Overlap support, you can see that price come to respect the area and then falling. Okay, combining Fibonacci, swing high here, pull back, support. Now when you pull back, it become your overlap support level. Okay, and another one you combine pull back and overlap. This is your multi swing high, your multi swing high, your resistance price break above, pull back, it become your overlap. So now it become your overlap resistance level. Okay, because you can see that one time come again and will come back again in your overlap support level. Another one, support, break below, pull back, it become your overlap, break above, now it become your pull back support. When it pull back, it become your overlap. Okay, here, that's all for today. Thank you guys. We still have 9 minutes. Let's just I pause here. Any question before I do the trade setup for okay, for GBP, this is my sell entry. I already tell you guys, if you want to short, just manage your lot size. I short EGU. Okay, this is my key level for GBUSD. Okay, or let's say if price break below my support level, I still have the position for GBP. My level for support is gonna be here, which is my fib, my extension. I do have my extension to support my level. Okay, this is my support level. Okay, this is my sell zone already. A sell zone. EU as well. EU key level for EU. Price still on kind of like sideways somehow. The key level. You can request any pair. You want me to have a look? I will look for you. Okay, the key level. This is my second resistance. Okay, and now EU is sideways, so I'm not doing anything for EU because it's not an entry yet. It's just sideways. So, but for my GU, I already have the entry for GBP USD. Okay, I think my second supporter will be somehow extension. I will just highlight this is my zone, meaning that if price break my first support, the second support, I do have my extension around here. Okay, okay, this is my key level for EU. You can request any pair. If not, we just go to go again. Trade setup for go. Okay, go is kind of like, because they really have like impulse move like Friday. Now it's just like kind of like sideways ranging. But tonight we do have new, or tomorrow, this could be your first support, which is price come to my extension. Yeah. This is key resistance, which is price come already, right? Last time price come to our here 38.2%. So now you cannot draw Fibonacci based on this swing low. Your swing low is here. Now H4 haven't closed, your swing low is changed already, so you cannot based on this one. That's wrong. I just show you when we get the entry, which is like, you know, sell at this level. So your first resistance right there. My second resistance is gonna be here. I will just put here. I will put this one as my multi swing low support. Look at daily. Daily to me, I still buy at or for the daily time frame for gold for the swing. For the swing, I look there will come all the way at least your extension 127 here and 161.8 here for the swing trade. Okay. Okay. Nobody sent a request. Any request you want me to look for you? Any pair? Okay. Today is quite a simple topic. Okay. Just practice if you were to look at the charts and then you can identify correctly. Okay, and then you combine with Fibonacci. That's all. You can trade. Okay, quite simple, but it really powerful. Okay, I just run the poll. Please help me vote. Let me look for another trade set up, which is maybe I do one more for the BTC. Unless you guys like to trade BTC, okay? The BTC in daily time frame, okay, I still see that price still on downtrend. At least they should come to this level. Today 0.2. Okay, faster help me vote and then you guys can see my screen. Okay. Just hang on. Do the key level for BTC. First resistance for BTC here. Key resistance. The next one is here. Okay. Okay, let me close the pool first. Wait, okay, then you guys can see. Okay, for the BTC, okay, so BTC based on head 4 time frame, this is my kind of like key level. The level is not very kind of like nice, but let me just move down. Yeah, we will use Fibonacci. There will be, I will just leave at 61 and yeah. Okay, the level here you see not very nice either. I just put here at multi swing low or here, okay, but it's not very nice level. But my second support is at 38.2% based on daily time frame. Okay, that for BTC. For gold still the same. I buy at short for gold, so we will buy the entry, which is it's here, which is price really come down. This is my sell zone. Okay, already come down here. My sell zone for go, but this is a key level. Okay, for the long term, price should come to at least 20, which is this the swing low here. They will come to like 22.78 or 80 around that level, but we just refer this one at multi swing low here for second support. Okay, for go EU price just ranging but GBP just I just short from this level, and we'll see whether price should fall from that level or not. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again in the next webinar. Take care. Happy trading, guys. Bye bye.